And then my second appointment is an OC health appointment because I was exposed to TB couple weeks ago. Good morning, you guys. I have two different appointments this morning that I'm going to bring you along with me. The first appointment is a physical therapy appointment. I have never done physical therapy ever in my life before, thankfully, because I haven't really had any significant injury to need to do it. But I hurt my right collarbone shoulder area a couple months ago, and it is still bothering me. I think I hurt it doing kettlebell swings and just kind of overextended it. And then being a mom and a nurse and an active person, it's been really hard for me to get it 100% better. So I'm excited to go to a physical therapy appointment and kind of see if they can give me any like tips or tricks or exercises I can do to help heal this area. I honestly feel like I have a muscle in there that is like just super tight that like needs to release. So I'm hoping there's something they can do to help me with that. And then my second appointment is an OC health appointment because I was exposed to TB couple weeks ago. I was working and I just found out a bit ago, so I had to make an OC health appointment and gonna go follow up and see if there's anything that I need to do for that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to both appointments.
Are you Ashley?
I am.
Perfect. Welcome and
Thank you.
thank you for doing all your homework.
Yes.
Appreciate it. I just need your photo ID and your
Yes,
make
perfect.
a copy of those.
Finished my physical therapy appointment. We did an hour of like stretches, massage, exercises, and I definitely feel it. So I'm going to be going like twice a week for the next couple weeks just to try and get more strength in this area. He thinks that because of the injury or whatever it was, I am kind of compensating in some of my other muscles. So we're going to focus on all of those, and I'm very excited. Now I have about an hour till my OC health appointment, so we're going to go to that next. I'm here at my OC health appointment. Hopefully they're on time. I swear every time I've had an OC health appointment for something, it always takes forever. But I'm here. Hopefully it's quick. I just didn't know how long after exposure do people like show positive.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know. It depends, and it depends on how much contact.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I am all done with that. I waited almost an hour for them to do a TB test, which I'm kind of like, how long after you get exposed to TB would you show a positive like skin TB test? I'll have to look that up because I don't know. And then I come back in a couple days to read it. And that is that. I try to be very patient with like healthcare because I know like waiting times can be long, and it's like not the people working there's faults. They need more staff, but it is a little like frustrating when it just takes so long, you know? But anyways, I will keep you guys posted, and I'll see you in my next video.